Here's the truth you need to hear in the first 10 seconds. Healthy soil isn't built by effort, it's built by conditions. When you create the right environment, soil repairs itself faster than any tool or toil could manage. The secret isn't in fighting the earth, but in understanding and supporting it. Let's uncover the 3 simple ingredients that let nature do the heavy lifting. The first essential ingredient in building healthy soil is carbon, specifically plain brown cardboard. This humble material is often overlooked, but it plays a crucial role in regenerative gardening. Always avoid glossy or ink-heavy cardboard, as these can introduce unwanted chemicals. Instead, select only clean corrugated sheets, free from tape, labels or coloured printing. Soak the cardboard thoroughly until it's saturated. Then lay it whole on the soil surface or bury it a few inches deep, depending on your garden's needs. Don't shred it. Using whole sheets creates a long-lasting fungal superhighway for soil life, allowing beneficial organisms to travel and thrive. Cover the cardboard immediately with compost, mulch or soil. This keeps it moist and dark, creating the perfect environment for fungi and bacteria to move in and get to work. These microbes break down the cardboard over time, binding soil particles together and building a rich, crumbly structure that plants love. The cardboard isn't just an amendment, it's an open invitation for nature's workforce, like earthworms and microbes, to move in and rebuild the soil from the ground up. This carbon layer becomes the foundation for a resilient, self-sustaining ecosystem, supporting healthy plants and abundant harvests for years to come. Next, add a living layer. Finished compost or worm castings, both teeming with beneficial microbes and organic matter. This layer is essential for jump-starting the soil's biological activity, providing food and habitat for countless microscopic organisms. Spread a generous 5 to 8 cm layer evenly over the cardboard, making sure to cover every part. Avoid mixing or tilling it in, as disturbing the layers can disrupt the natural processes that build healthy soil. Nature always builds soil from the top down, allowing organic matter to break down gradually. By keeping the layers intact, you mimic the way forests and meadows create rich, fertile earth. This compost introduces billions of bacteria and fungi, which quickly begin to colonize and activate the cardboard below, breaking it down and transforming it into new soil. The result is a thriving, layered habitat where microbes, earthworms, and other soil life can flourish undisturbed, creating a foundation for healthy plants. Tilling destroys these delicate underground networks. Layering, on the other hand, allows them to build a living, resilient soil structure that supports long-term fertility. Compost is the spark, turning carbon and soil into a dynamic living system and setting the stage for a vibrant, productive garden ecosystem. The final ingredient in building a thriving garden is mulch, often called the protective mantle for good reason. You can use straw, fallen leaves, wood chips, or even grass clippings. The specific material is less important than making sure the soil is thoroughly covered. Spread a generous thick layer to completely blanket the compost, creating a barrier that insulates and shields the living soil beneath from the elements. Mulch acts as a natural regulator, moderating soil temperature, conserving precious moisture, and preventing erosion from wind and rain. It keeps your garden system stable, moist, and biologically active, even during periods of intense sun, heavy rain, or unexpected cold snaps. Over time, as mulch slowly breaks down, it releases nutrients and organic matter, feeding the soil just as a forest floor does in nature. Earthworms and beneficial insects are drawn to this environment, gently mixing nutrients into the soil without disturbing its delicate structure. Mulch is more than just a cover. It's a living shield, protecting, nourishing, and sustaining your soil ecosystem for seasons to come. And that's it. The process is complete, not by force, but by trust. By providing carbon, microbes and mulch, you've set the stage for soil to heal itself. The result? Richer, more resilient soil, with less work from you each season. True cultivation means partnering with nature, not conquering it. If this approach saved you time, subscribe to Nature's Blueprint and share it with a fellow gardener.